This router stud is supposed to be a game changer. Let's see if that's true. I work with a lot of large slabs, and I've built several router sleds over the years, but there's always been some kind of problem. They are bulky, they're hard to move around. Getting the depth adjustment right is always a pain. So this time I ponied up and bought one on Amazon. This one is made by Vevor. I should probably look that up. Vevor? Anyway, I'm not getting paid for this. I have no affiliation with this company at all. I just bought this one because it has depth adjustment and it has a plate that's supposed to fit my specific router. So let's give it a try. So initial impressions is it's pretty solid. The material, it's very thick rails. The instructions weren't the best. I think at one point they used the wrong picture, and the parts are labeled with letters on the packaging, but they don't use those letters in the instructions, so I don't. But there's a couple pieces. It's easy enough to figure out. It was difficult to get everything aligned correctly. That'll take a little bit of work. Probably took me an hour in total to get everything set up. So I have some side table slabs that I want to try this out on. So let's give it a shot. So final verdict, would I recommend this? Absolutely. I think it did a great job of flattening the surface, which is what it's meant to do. And the only issue I had was my own fault. I didn't clamp this down to the bench top at all. So going over it, I had to hold it down. Lesson learned. Next time I'll make sure that it's secured and it's not going to move on me. And other than that, yeah, 2 thumbs up, I guess, is the rating system we'll go with, or 5 stars. I think this will work out great for small projects like this. If I had something bigger like a dining room table, I have a place I could take it to that'll do the whole CNC machine and flatten it out. That'll obviously come with a cost, which I could build into larger projects, but small things like this, I wouldn't be able to make my money back on. So I think this is a perfect solution for that. If you are interested in this one, check out the link in the description. This again is the Vevor router sled, and I have no affiliation. So there's others out there on the market. You have to find, do some research, see which one works best for you, but this one does the job for me. So as always, like and subscribe if you want to follow my journey into creating a custom woodworking business from essentially scratch, except for the tools in the shop and a little bit of experience. Then subscribe, please comment if you have any suggestions or advice for me. And like, it always helps the channel. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time.